Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn from 12th standard textbook writing skill 3.5 drafting a virtual message. Virtual message. First of all, what is message? Message means if we want to give we want to inform someone something, that is called message. It can be in a various form, written form or from the symbol. If you want to send a message, first of all you have to make a communication, or you must know the language. That's why let us see the communication is exchange of ideas, thoughts and information from one person to another is called communication. Communication is an integral part of human nature, and as the most intelligent animal on the planet, humans have derived different communication process to express themselves and understand each other. Before the advent of oral communication, non-verbal methods were used such as gesture, facial expression and movement. On broader terms, communication can be in various forms such as oral, written and virtual. If you want to make a communication, then there are three. We can make it through three types: oral or written or virtual. Before going to learn what is virtual message, we must know the various types of messages. Let us see the types of messages in general. There are four types of messages in general. First is positive messages. It conveys good feeling, thoughts, thanks, appreciation, expression of interest and sympathy in positive messages. Second is negative messages. It conveys disappointment, disapproval, dissatisfaction, disagreement, denial, refusal and cancellation. Third is neutral messages. Neutral messages means no feeling, no sentiment, no emotion, dry messages, neither joy nor sorrow, means it cannot judge. Fourth is persuasive messages. Persuasive messages means it's agreement on the writer's point of view, or someone if they have convincing you and you it divert your attention or your view, that is called persuasive messages. Then what is virtual communication? Virtual communication is the new topic for the 12th standard this year, and this virtual communication will be asked for 4 marks. Let us see. Virtual communication is a mode of communication that includes the use of technology. Just like in a COVID, we are mostly use this virtual communication. Let us see the major types of messages. There are 6 major types of messages. First is directional messages. Directional messages means what you should do. Sometimes messages are directionals. They give us a point of view on the best way to achieve a certain goal. For example, being happier, making more money, better relationship. If someone are giving to a directional, that is called directional messages. Messages of possibility. Another kind of message is the kind of message that says something else is possible. No matter how stuck or hopeless or helpless we feel, there is another a pathway to reclaim our power with mindfulness, love, and simplicity always, which we might distill down to. No matter how stuck you feel, there's a powerful message that is called messages of possibility, messages of reality. Sometimes the message is about how things really are. They are clarifying message, mini maps that help direction for the people from confusion to clarity. Sometimes we suffer because we don't really see the world for how it is, and someone who can tell it like it is and reset our expectation about the possibilities and limitation of certain approaches will always engender trust. Fourth is message of necessity. We need to. This is another kind of message. It is more of a call to arm for people. It is not just a message of what's possible or what's real, but what's required of us to get what we want. Fifth is new ideas message. New ideas message, it is a new concept based on ideas that people may never have considered before. Messages which have novelty, novel ideas, opinion, suggestion, views, or etc. Six is reframing message. Reframing message. Some messages are about taking aspect of our life that we might have framed as a weaknesses or bad and framing them as a strength and asset. These are the 6 major types of messages. And virtual message means using mobile phone, internet, YouTube, WhatsApp, or such a technology which is audio or visual aids. That is called virtual messages, and nowadays we are using it more effectively. So we shall stop here. Next time we shall see how to write the virtual messages. Thank you. Have a nice day.